Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, February 4th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a great day today, although our our equity pulled back just a little bit from where we were on the close yesterday. We still had a spectacular day. We closed out $18,000 positive in closed out trades, and we are carrying positive 1,600 going into tomorrow. It was a little bit disappointing that our equity pulled back a little from where we were on the close. I think about 25,000 on the close yesterday. However, when I'm looking at the figures for the month, we've had 3 trading days in February so far, and we are up over $30,000 in profits in February. And what that means is we have actually made more money the first 3 days of February than we did all of January, and we didn't have a bad month in January. I'd be happy to take all our months with what we'd made in January, and I wouldn't complain at all. But in the first 3 days of February, hey, we're up over $30,000 already, so that's just great. You can see here what happened with the Dow today. I talked to you from this low here where we hit the floor all the way to the top of the day. That's over 550 points, and you can certainly expect that maybe the Dow is going to take a little rest here. I would call this sideways market today, even though it ended up closing up 6 points. It's just gone up and up and up, and it's kind of hit an exhaustion phase here. It would not surprise me tomorrow if the Dow came down. As I say many times, I really don't do a good job of predicting this, but it looks from the chart that this is, some of the steam has kind of slowed down here, and we're going to see the Dow come back maybe a little, but I would really surprise me if it came all the way back here to the floor area, although I can't say that I'd be too disappointed with that, because look how well we did on this swing up the last 3 days. So we'll just have to wait and see. We had I'll show you a couple interesting things that happened today. This first chart I'm showing you is an EMES, that's Emergent Energy Systems, and we had bought this yesterday about halfway through the day, and it had closed up almost $7,000 in open trade for us on yesterday, and looked just fantastic. Unfortunately, and this was a problem why we lost some of our equity, it gapped down this morning, and we got out here right away. We still made over $3,000 on Emergent Energy Systems, but that was kind of a disappointment from where we were on the close, and that's kind of where that open trade equity went, going from open trade to closed trade was in this single market. Still, we did make $3,000 on it. I'll show you, the spectacular one, and I honestly I am pretty pleased with our new parameters. When I look at this chart, this is, of course, CSIQ that we had bought 2 days ago, and then yesterday we had this huge gap, and we didn't get the follow through today, but we got out pretty good. We took close to $11,000 out of CSIQ today, closing that out right there. And it looks to me like, this stock may pull back some. I'm happy to be out of it. Again, I just think it's kind of hit an exhaustion phase after this huge move, and I'm very happy to have taken almost $11,000 out of that stock. That's just a great trade. Anyway, super day. I'm very happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.